In this first riveting surveillance camera moment, we are transported into the heart of a thrilling and perilous encounter. A lone camper, nestled within a forest at night, prepares for a peaceful night's rest. However, the tranquility is shattered as two wild lions emerge seemingly out of nowhere, drawn by the sound of the camper's voice. The surveillance system captures the tense moments as the lions attempt to access the camp, presenting a life-threatening situation. In this eerie Ring doorbell footage, we enter the realm of the supernatural as a security man on a night shift is startled by a strange movement captured by his camera. The surveillance system records the chilling moment when the security personnel, sensing an invisible presence, stands up from his space to investigate the unseen disturbance.
And I'm like, okay. So I looked at the camera, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna calm down. So I wanted to tell the camera, y'all see that? Y'all saw that, right? I'm telling you. See, I saw that.
In this gripping GoPro footage, we find ourselves in a heart-pounding encounter with the wild as two men return to their camping space at night. As they approach, their surveillance system captures the hair-raising moment when a large lion is spotted, stealthily creeping around their campsite. Faced with the inherent danger of encountering a wild predator, the men make a swift decision to seek refuge inside their vehicle, prioritizing their safety.
Taking my sleeping bag. Could you just drive a bit closer, maybe?
In this chilling and scary Ring doorbell footage, we are plunged into a realm of the supernatural as the security cameras inside a bar capture the unsettling presence of invisible, scary shadows after closing hours. The surveillance system records the eerie moment when the security personnel, alerted by the mysterious shadows, witnesses the unexplainable phenomenon unfolding within the bar. In this eerie and bone-chilling Ring doorbell footage, we find ourselves in the eerie corridors of an office building during the night shift. The vigilant security personnel, monitoring the surveillance cameras, is confronted with a paranormal occurrence.
See if we can bring it back and see now again. Okay, now there's no motion detected. There's something moving right here that you peep and see in the video a little bit. But peep the elevator though. Mind you, this 17th floor, nobody uses this floor.
The unsettling movement within the building's elevator captures the security man's attention, particularly on the long-abandoned 17th floor. As the surveillance system records the elevator's unexplained journey to the forsaken 17th floor, the door mysteriously opens. To the security man's astonishment, a shadowy figure emerges from the elevator, a spectral presence in the desolate space.
Something gets off the elevator, and there's a motion detector's name.
In this perplexing Ring doorbell footage, we step into the realm of the unexplained as a security man, monitoring the surveillance cameras within a store after closing hours, detects a strange movement. The surveillance system captures the bewildering moment when items within the store start falling seemingly without the influence of winds or vibrations. In this perplexing and eerie Ring doorbell footage, we transition from the lively atmosphere of a daytime bar filled with people enjoying drinks, laughter, and camaraderie to a sudden and unsettling turn of events. As families and friends savor their time together, an invisible force disrupts the merriment, causing a wave of fear and confusion. The surveillance system captures the eerie moment when beer cups on people's tables are mysteriously shattered by an unseen subject, sending patrons into a state of alarm. In this riveting phone camera footage, we are thrust into the heart of the wilderness as a courageous lady, camping near a forest, encounters a breathtaking yet potentially dangerous moment. The surveillance system captures the scene when a majestic cougar appears, silently observing her from the safety of a tree right in front of the camp. As the tension rises, the lady, undeterred by fear, attempts various methods to scare the cougar away. The surveillance system records her brave efforts, including throwing a stone and yelling in an attempt to assert her presence.
Hey! 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 Get! Hey!
In this mesmerizing footage, we find ourselves in a quiet neighborhood at night, where the tranquility is disrupted by a mysterious phenomenon. The surveillance system captures the moment when residents, curious about a strange light moving in the sky, venture outside to witness the enigma. As some people step out to get a closer look, others are quick to grab their phones and begin recording the captivating event. In this heart-pounding encounter, we are transported to the edge of a pond where a daring young man engages in a risky encounter with a baby alligator. The surveillance system captures the scene as he uses a fishing net to try and catch the tiny reptile.
and we stood pretty close to them. In an effort to show you what beautiful and perfectly designed creatures they are, I attempted to handle one.
However, the situation takes a dramatic turn when the baby alligator emits distress sounds, alerting its vigilant mother. The footage unfolds as the protective mother alligator swiftly responds to the perceived threat, launching a forceful and instinctive attack on the young man to safeguard her offspring.
That says everything. Did you hear that little noise that you made? That.
In this spine-chilling Ring doorbell encounter, we are thrust into the eerie atmosphere of a parking space at night. The surveillance system captures the inexplicable scene as a vehicle mysteriously rolls out of its parking space, seemingly pushed by an unseen force. The vigilant security man, monitoring through the surveillance camera, becomes a witness to the uncanny events unfolding. As the vehicle advances, the surveillance system captures the appearance of three shadowy figures in front of the truck. Adding to the paranormal activity, the closed doors of the vehicle open seemingly of their own accord. In this riveting encounter, we are transported into the heart of the wilderness as a man wakes up early morning at his camping site. The surveillance system captures the breathtaking yet potentially perilous moment when a wild bear is spotted, stealthily creeping around the camp. Swiftly adapting to the situation, the man grabs his camera and begins recording the majestic yet formidable creature. The footage unfolds as the bear, seemingly curious, makes an attempt to access the tent. Undeterred, the man responds with assertive sounds, attempting to ward off the bear and protect his camping haven.
An interesting incident occurred at an office in UBI, Singapore. Recently, a social media shared CCTV footage from that night, which has ignited curiosity and discussions on social media. The office experienced some puzzling happenings. Objects in the room began moving on their own, baffling everyone. The employee present couldn't handle the eerie situation and hurriedly left the room. However, the strangeness didn't stop there. The camera caught a shadowy figure appearing in a window at the back of the room. People watching the video have come up with various theories. Some suggest the office might be haunted, while others think it's a prank played by another employee. To back the supernatural idea, some users shared their own unexplained experiences from the same area. Is this a genuine glimpse of paranormal activity? The verdict is yours to make.
The man explains a concerning situation, revealing that he is searching for his missing wife and tracked her phone to this address.
I mean, that raises more of an alarm, doesn't it?
What, it's your wife?
Yeah.
It's your wife, I mean, it's important.
done with it?
It's not.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Can we help
For
you?
Ottawa? Yes, I'm
who?
looking for Ottawa. Ottawa.
Oh, no, I think, buddy, I think you have the wrong address. My name is Frank. What's up?
No, my wife went missing like a few hours ago, so I'm just looking for her. And her phone was tracked to this complex. I'm not sure which.
Yeah, there's four units. We're not home right now. There's 4 units in this complex. So it might be one of the other ones, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Good night.
Good luck, man. You too, man.
In this tense Ring doorbell scenario, a stranger is spotted right in front of someone's house, prompting the homeowner to take immediate action. The homeowner, concerned about the unknown presence, sternly orders the stranger to leave or face the consequences of involving the police. However, the situation escalates as the stranger reacts angrily, issuing threats to the homeowner in response to the potential involvement of law enforcement.
Can you leave, please? No, we don't want any, thank you.
Oh, hi, how you doing?
No, we're calling the police.
What's your name, sir? You're calling the police?
Yeah, man, I've seen you here before.
I am the police.
Okay.
Pardon me?
Yeah, I've seen you here before, sir. We don't need your help, thank you.
Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Want you out! I'm the chief of police of County PG. Get out of my house! Get out of my house! And leave the dog!
In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell scenario, a lady is seen outside her home, engaged in conversation with someone. Suddenly, her attention is sharply diverted as she notices her dog from upstairs, in imminent danger. Without hesitation, the lady springs into action, rushing to save her furry friend's life.
Oh my God, get back! Clarence! Oh my God!
In this concerning Ring doorbell scenario, a man is spotted at night approaching someone's yard with clear and dubious intentions. Seizing the opportunity, he swiftly grabs the air compressor left outside the house before making a quick departure. In this tense Ring doorbell scenario, a man is spotted creeping around someone's house late at night, prompting the homeowner to take immediate action. Confronting the stranger through the window, the homeowner, holding a firearm, faces the unexpected situation. The stranger, seemingly sensing the gravity of the encounter, begins talking about needing help and raises his hands in a gesture of surrender.
Help? Can I use a phone to call a cab? No problem. You know me? Yep.
In this harrowing Ring doorbell scenario, a man is captured walking back to his car at night, unaware of the imminent danger lurking around. Suddenly, armed robbers launch a vicious attack, hijacking his car and leaving him stranded in the middle of the road. In this horrifying Ring doorbell scenario, the tranquility of the night is shattered as a masked man is captured with gasoline, pouring it on parked cars. The situation takes a dangerous turn as he proceeds to light the gasoline, engulfing the vehicles in flames.
He then committed a very unlawful act by setting the cars on fire.
In this bold Ring doorbell scenario, a man is seen in broad daylight attempting to invade someone's porch. The situation takes a swift turn as the vigilant homeowner steps out, confronting the intruder. Without hesitation, the homeowner defends their property by delivering several punches to the intruder's face. The would-be invader, realizing the resistance, hastily retreats, fleeing to save himself from further confrontation.
What's up? I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything! No, I didn't do it ever again. Fuck off. So, one, you're gonna fuck up her again. Two, you're gonna fuck up her again. I'll go. Three, you're gonna fuck up her again. I'll go. No, prick, get the fuck. Shut the fuck up. You're not gonna do. Something?
In this covert Ring doorbell scenario, two individuals are captured crawling and creeping within someone's property at night. Little do they know that their every movement is being meticulously documented by the vigilant lens of the doorbell camera. In this documented Ring doorbell scenario, police officers are seen right in front of someone's door. One of the officers knocks, and the homeowner responds. The police explained that they received a report from the neighbors regarding noise pollution, specifically related to fireworks.
There's a notes right here.
Oh yeah, we got this ring.
And a dog.
Yeah. How's it going, sir? What's going on?
Can I help you?
Yeah, hey, we're getting reports that you're out here shooting fireworks and No?
Just got out of bed.
Just got out of bed?
Whoa. Take him. Close the door.
Alright, so you haven't been out shooting fireworks?
No.
Hey man, we just got that report. We gotta come and contact you to figure out what's going on.
Alright.
Alright? Hey, can I get your name real quick? So I can contact? No? Alright.
Anything else?
Yeah, hey, I know you made... Hey man, you don't have to give us that.
I'm getting mad. I'm not mad. I just woke up, brother.
Alright, man.
Alright.
In this intense Ring doorbell scene, four masked individuals are spotted at night as they approach someone's house, armed and plotting to invade the property. Unbeknownst to them, the homeowner has detected their presence through the doorbell camera. As the masked men draw closer, the homeowner takes swift action, firing a warning shot into the air. The sudden burst startles the intruders, causing them to hastily retreat, running for their lives. In this suspicious Ring doorbell scene, a man is seen arriving at someone's front door with hidden intentions. Attempting to conceal his identity, he presses the doorbell while covertly trying to cover the doorbell camera. The homeowner, vigilant and cautious, intervenes by asking the stranger what he wants. The stranger, perhaps realizing he's caught, quickly shifts his narrative, asking for hot water as a diversion.
I'm so sorry. I needed hot water.
Hot water. Okay, I was putting cold water.
Could you just bring it next door? Could you just drop it off?
In this tense Ring doorbell scene, two individuals are caught invading someone's garage in the dead of night. Unbeknownst to them, the homeowner is vigilantly watching their every move through the doorbell camera. The situation intensifies as the homeowner confronts the intruders, causing them to run hastily and escape through their waiting car.
You motherfuckers, I'm on my way, you little you mother. I'm on my way, you mother. With a gun, you better run, you mother sack of. You better run. You better run, you sack. You mother.
In this peculiar Ring doorbell scene, a drunk man is spotted displaying erratic behavior and talking to himself right in front of someone's door at night. The homeowner, prioritizing safety, decides not to step outside, recognizing the unpredictability of the drunk stranger's intentions.
Well, respect, but get them up and get the I'm not playing. Anybody else wants to get too crazy, just listen to Bill and stupid Betty. Now they're gonna go live together in the because they want to disrespect me. Grab your children, grab your. What about all my furniture? And it will all be down there. And at 2 o'clock, I promise you everything. I don't fuck Joe. I got millions on. Think I'm playing with you, girl? Huh? Alright, baby. You already know what's good, dog. You want ass, you better shoot me first. I'll see you when I get right back, homeboy. We done. Mother, open the door. Here comes the cops. If they come over here, we're gonna have to blast. You ready? 2 more? And then another one. I'm a gorilla. I have 200 niggas over here. Don't make me send at least 50 over there. You fuck up, nigga. We done. You done. I'm a both of you.
A woman makes a shocking discovery as she finds a stranger inside her home, attempting to invade her property. The tension spikes as the fearless homeowner confronts the intruder, standing her ground to defend her territory.
My truck right here. Oh. Better go pick partner up. Go get him. He bust the one out. Yep. You heard it? Yeah. Call the cops, Mom. Come on. Get your phone. Yes. You just had a car break in? I just had someone to break into my car. And the door's still open, but there's glass and stuff out there, and he just walked away. We told him, get out, get out. And come on, just get me dressed so the cops can pull up. Yeah. Address is... What's the name of the property?
What's a good phone number? Got a good phone number for you.
Good phone number? 901. And I almost just sat there. Someone said, cut your Ring camera on.
In this dramatic Ring doorbell scenario, emotions run high as a man is captured in a fit of anger. Shouting and venting his frustration, he aggressively kicks a trash can situated outside the homeowner's house. Amidst the chaos, a concerned lady attempts to intervene, trying to calm down the agitated man.
You what happened? You know me what happened? You know me what happened? Get out your house! Come on! Come on! Come on! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You're starting on me. Bro, I'm not you. I'm not you, bro. I'm not you. I'm not you. You're the one who ran away that day. You're the one who ran away that day. Oh, come there, bro. Come. I'm out here. Come. Right back. Come. Come, bring the machete to me, big man. Bring the machete.
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell scenario, two masked and hooded individuals are caught in the act as they attempt to break into a store. The tension heightens as they make their move, but the situation takes a sudden turn. The piercing sound of the security alarm fills the air, prompting the would-be intruders to hastily abandon their plans and make a swift departure. In this concerning Ring doorbell scenario, a stranger is captured within someone's property in broad daylight. The homeowner, vigilant and assertive, confronts the intruder, issuing a stern warning for them to leave immediately. The tense situation unfolds as the homeowner emphasizes the seriousness of the intrusion, threatening to involve law enforcement.
Just ring your doorbell. What?
Steve, get off my property.
What the f*** are you talking about? It's not your doors.
Leave before I call the police.
Who's here? Is this being hacked? I'm just knocking the door.
I want you to go away. You're on my property and I'm asking you to leave.
I'm knocking on the door to talk to the property owner.
Get off my property. Now.
In this urgent Ring doorbell footage, a man and a woman spring into action as they witness their neighbor's house engulfed in flames. Without hesitation, they rush to the front door and urgently knock repeatedly, desperately trying to alert the property owners to the dire situation. Their swift and courageous response unfolds as they take immediate steps to call attention to the escalating fire and make efforts to extinguish the flames.
Hey! Hey, your house is on fire! What? Your house is on fire here. What? Your house!
Me!
I keep that with you.
We saw it as we were trying to
Oh
my God, thank you! Oh my God!
Oh, wow.
Down in here too,
Wow, that was bad. Good thing we stopped.
Thank you!
With courage, they rescued both the owner and the house. They were heroes in the nick of time, saving the day.
In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, two individuals are captured within an apartment with clear and nefarious intentions. The situation escalates dramatically as one of them forcefully kicks down the door with a powerful blow, demonstrating their determination to gain unauthorized access and invade the premises. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, the tranquility of a neighborhood at night is shattered as the piercing sound of police sirens fills the air. A fleet of police vehicles, lights flashing, speeds through the streets in hot pursuit of a suspect. In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner receives a notification through her doorbell camera, revealing a man breaking into her car right in front of the house. Swiftly responding to the alert, she steps outside and confronts the intruder, determined to defend her property.
What are you doing? Get out of here! Lola, come! 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 I don't know.
In this chilling Ring doorbell footage, young lady is captured walking her dogs in the quiet of the night on her street. Suddenly, a strange man makes a threatening move towards her. The situation takes a harrowing turn as the lady reacts with a scream, causing the assailant to quickly retreat. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, the tranquility of the night is shattered as four masked individuals approach someone's house with sinister intentions. Unbeknownst to them, the homeowner is vigilantly monitoring their every move and plot. The tension escalates as the homeowner, aware of the impending threat, courageously intervenes to protect her home. The intruders, caught off guard by the homeowner's swift action, hastily retreat into the night. In this peculiar Ring doorbell scenario, a strange lady is captured in front of someone's door, exhibiting odd behavior. The homeowner, concerned and curious, intervenes by stepping out and asking the lady what she wants on his premises. The situation unfolds as a conversation ensues, shedding light on the mysterious presence and providing an opportunity for the homeowner to understand the stranger's intentions.
I really idiots. I was like, serious. I don't know what the fuck you're saying, but you don't take no look.
Hello?
Hey, hi. I played some girls out of the Can I come in?
You can't come in.
Please, I mean, I couldn't even, but okay. I respond to the wall. I'm really okay. I'm just freezing outside. I'm all pissed off. I haven't been weeks. Alright, I've been in prison, kind of. But anyways, y'all have a good night. See you later, and bye.
In this mysterious Ring doorbell scenario, a lady is spotted walking to someone's front door at night. The situation takes an unusual turn as she presses the doorbell and begins behaving strangely, engaging in conversation with the homeowner through the doorbell camera.
Hi, Jeffrey.
What are you doing here? Oh my goodness, you got the fuck. What are you doing? Pull yourself together.
Get close to the screen.
Okay, I'm coming. Mami, no me dejes, tengo miedo.
In this eerie Ring doorbell scenario, a sense of unease permeates the air as a clown is spotted creeping around right in front of someone's front door. The homeowner, unaware of the true intentions behind the clown's presence, is left in a state of uncertainty. In this perplexing Ring doorbell scenario, a man is spotted right in front of someone's door, desperately seeking help with both hands and legs tied. Instead of immediate assistance, the homeowner, perhaps startled or cautious, issues a warning, telling the restrained man to leave.
Hello?
Hey, can you please help me? Can you please help me?
No, you need to leave.
Look, man. Look, can you please help?
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.